Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for FabMaker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on Magnetize, found here in the left toolbar. When Magnetize is on, objects snap together. You can snap a variety of objects. To snap ready-made shapes with straight sides, bring them close together and line them up. When they snap, FabMaker creates an automatic fold line. This lets you easily create the pattern or net for a 3D construction. You can also snap objects you create with the Lines tool. Snapping these objects does not create an automatic fold line, but you can add a fold line later if you want. You can snap some library objects and some imported objects. As with line objects, snapping library and imported objects does not create automatic fold lines. Sometimes you don't want objects to snap. For example, in this case, the heart snaps to the edge of the circle. Click or tap the Magnetize button to turn Magnetize off. The white halo disappears. You can now freely move objects. So, Magnetize tips. When Magnetize is on, objects snap together. When you snap the straight sides of ready-made shapes, FabMaker creates an automatic fold line. Turn Magnetize off if you don't want objects to snap. Play around and remember these tips when you're designing your next project. Have fun!